Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the Call of Duty opening speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this Call of Duty gameplay, as you can see exactly. So during this time, I'll try to use the GT mode and without using GT mode. So these are the two different methods which I'll try to follow in this video. Let's see which phone can actually open the Call of Duty game faster. And right now I did clear everything from the background applications. There is no background running applications, and both phones should be connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. That's kind of condition which we should follow every time. So two phones are connected to same 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi network. And right now let me try to start the test without using any kind of GT mode. There is no GT mode enabled at this moment. Now let me try to start the Call of Duty game at same time. So 1, 2 and 3. Here we go. And both phones are opening. But the game boosters is on. I mean, ultra game mode is on and gain space is also on. So don't worry about those. Now we'll be able to see the result. Automatic login will be happening, and first phone to login is the iQOO 7 device in terms of the automatic login. You can see the iQOO 7 device did about 18 seconds of time the iQOO 7 took, and the Realme GT Neo 2 took about close to 25 seconds of time. The Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see this clearly, 18 seconds versus 25 seconds. Now let me try to clear the game. Close the game. Yes, game is closed. Let's start again. Let's see second time what happens. So 1, 2 and 3. So both phones did open instant. So instant reaction is there. So let's see this time what happens. And the first login again did come in the iQOO 7 device, even second time as well. So let's see by enabling the GT mode whether this can improve the speeds in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not. So 18 seconds of time. And second time the speed slightly got better, little bit in both phones, not bad. So 18 seconds and 22 seconds of time in terms of the opening speed second time. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the GT mode. So let's turn on the GT mode in this Realme GT Neo 2. So right now the GT mode is turned on in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's perfect. Now let's start the same test again. Let's see this time 1, 2 and 3. Whether this will help any kind of boosting speeds or not opening speeds. That's what I'm going to exactly check. And right now the iQOO 7 device started to open again faster than the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see friends, the iQOO 7 device already has every time like high every time, so it doesn't require any kind of boosting methods to open fast. Right now the Realme GT Neo 2 took about close to 23 seconds of time. So there's nothing much improvement in the Call of Duty gameplay opening speeds in the Realme GT Neo 2. If you try to enable the GT mode or not, doesn't matter. Let's try again final time. So right now you'll be able to see exactly what is happening friends. So 4 times I did do the testings, and you can clearly see the iQOO 7 was able to open faster this login and everything. You can clearly see what is happening. And same time every time it's taking. It's kind of maintaining consistent level of timing, 18 seconds of time. And 23 seconds in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. This is opening speed test comparison, and if you want me to do any other particular game comparison, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.